So what's up, y'all? I kept seeing videos of people doing like the Sprite challenge where you try to finish a whole bottle of Sprite without burping. And I just wanted to try it, so 3, 2, 1. Right now I don't feel any burps coming. Oh my god. My stomach's starting to feel weird, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, now I see why it's so hard to do the challenge, bro. Oh my god, bro. Your stomach hurts. I don't think that counts as a burp, bro. I don't think it counts, so I'm just gonna keep going. For some reason, like, gagged. I'm gonna clean it up after. Yeah, I feel it. I'm just gonna keep going. But I have. Oh! Yo, give up, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I'm at. Yo, I got. Bro.